Do you want unlimited friend requests on your Facebook profile? If so, keep watching this video because in this video I am going to share the best method to get unlimited friend requests on Facebook. So let's see. Some of the people think that this is really hard to get unlimited friend requests on Facebook profile. Do you think so? Actually, this is not hard. If you want to get unlimited friend requests on your profile, make sure you have enabled followers on your Facebook account and set who can comment on your public posts to public. And make sure your post privacy is set to public. Otherwise, this method will not work on that post. Then first of all, go to wefv.com. Then scroll down and tap on generate access token button. Now type your email and password to log in to your Facebook account. Then again tap on generate access token. Now copy the code from this box. After copy, paste the code into the blank box. Now tap on login. Now insert the user ID into the blank box and tap on use auto request button. And you will get unlimited friend requests. Now open your Facebook account and see the friend requests on your profile. I don't recommend to keep using of any auto friend request app or website. Your Facebook account might be get hacked or blocked. Create your new Facebook account and try this method for safety. If any question regarding this tutorial, please feel free to write in comment box. Keep watching our videos. And if you feel this video helpful, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.